In this video I'm going to show you how to share location on iPhone using Find My. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Find My apps on your iPhone and make sure you have Wi-Fi or mobile data connections. Then tap on Me if you're not selected that, and check share my location is turn it on. And as you can see here, showing my current locations from this iPhone. So go back and then tap on device. Then as you can see here, showing my location on map and showing also my device. So then just swipe up and here is plus icon. Tap on plus icon and open pop-up settings, and here is three different options: share my locations, add AirTag, or add other items. So tap on share my locations and it open a contact list of your phone number on your phone. Then source person that you're going to share like that, and select that number. And as you can see, here's name added. You can add multiple person to share your location. Then tap on send and you can select share for 1 hour or until end of day, or share identically. So I'm sharing for 1 hour and it will share my location to that person for 1 hour, and that person added to that people tab. As you can see here, showing that person name. That's mean I'm sharing my location with this person. So that person can track my locations using Find My apps. So as you can see here, showing details, and I can stop sharing from here, and but currently not showing that person location because that person not showing location with me. So that way you can share location on iPhone using Find My. So I can stop from here, just stop sharing my location, then stop here. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.